chart. One. I'm taking this as an department wise salary. Very small chart, very easy chart, and I will just make some changes here. Done. Now, second, I am creating a chart. This one, where I am taking as an branch wise salary. It is for the India only, so that's why only India is coming. So you can see that the entire data is coming. Now I want to create a table which taking the employee name, employee department, employee branch, employee hire date, as in not quarter, but in this way. That is fine. So make a big thing. So values should be increased by some points, making the 12 only. That is visible. Fine. So branch wise is done, department wise is done, that is done. Now my requirement is very simple. This data is for the all departments, sorry, all regions, north, south, east, west. And I have 4 head. One is a north head, one is a south head, one is an west head, and one is an east head. My requirement is only the concerned person can see the data of their own particular region, not the other region. I hope you are clear with this.
Yeah.
I click here. I take name here also. When I click here sales, all the sales people will come. So all the salespeople. I do not want all the salespeople. I want salespeople from a particular person. So right now it is visible for all. I want to change the visibility of people. So that is called row level security. RLS. How can we apply that? I'll go to the insert, not modeling. In modeling, I have a manage roles. I click on to manage role. I click on to the table first. I click on employee table. This is an employee table. Then I'll go to modeling and manage rule. Create. So I am creating a new role for a north manager. Create. I create a south manager. Create. I create as an west manager. Create. I create an east manager. So I'm creating a role. So I have this. I'll go to east manager. I'll go there. I write a find expression here. I write region is equal to east. For north manager, I write region is equal to north. For south, I write region is equal to south. For west, very simple.
Mm-hmm.
Region is equal to south. So I create that, I save that. There is some problem.
Oh, maybe it has to be
Region
regional with a
spelling is
capital.
no.
No.
There is an employee detail. I think I go there. We have a region, or we have what here? We have a region there, no? We have region here. So I'll go to the manage rule. Done. So we have multiple table. That's why it is taking the value. I need to select the area. This is the problem. Yeah, right. We require till yeah, Control C, Control V, employee dot region. Now, now my role is created. Now I want to view this data as a person. So I click on view as. By default, no role is applied. So I say, please tell me I am an East manager. What will be my view? So I'm clicking on East and I'm clicking on OK. Look at here. I am only able to see the East data.
Mm-hmm.
When I say no, I want to view as a South manager. So only South data is there.
Nice.
Are you clear with that?
Yeah.
I say I want to see as an West manager. So only West data is there. South we need to remove. Okay. I just cross check to the manage role. West manager. So West manager may also be right South.
Mm.
That is our mistake. So view as West. So it is coming as a West. Now the best part is here. We can check it here. But when I publish this, I say view as none. Okay. None means all.
Right.
Now I want to publish this. Please understand. I want to publish this. Save it. Employee row level security RLS. Okay. So now I publish onto my workspace. That is fine. I click open this Power BI. Now my report is coming here in my workspace. My report is here. This is employee RSA. I click on that. Now I just say pin to live means what? It will be a dashboard. So I say a dashboard. So I click on to the dashboard. I say it is an employee row level security. Pin live. Create a dashboard. Fine. Now my requirement is to work with this dashboard. This is an RSLA. Look at here. What is this?
Settings.
I right click on that. I go to report. I right click onto that. Report में कर देते. We'll do in the report. Give me a minute. Here also is available. Click on that. This is the sharing one. Oh no, it will be in the data set. Sorry. Low level security is the data set. So data set level security. No? So I click on to RSL and then right click here. Click here. Then we'll get what? Please look at here.
Security.
I click on security. I say the email address for a person who is the East manager. The email address is JP Singh. So this will be added here, who belongs to the member of East. So who is the East member? JP Singh. Write the North manager EMLA. So North manager email and click on add. Write the South manager email address, add on that. Write the West manager email, add on that. When you share this with that particular email ID, that person is able to see only the relevant data. I hope you understand.
That's pretty cool.
Yes. Now you can create a row level security. Let's suppose you have a huge data, but you do not want a particular person should see other data. You can put what is written at the top. Please read this.
Road level security.
So you can apply the row level security, but this can be created in a Power BI desktop by using which? By using the modeling, and there is an option called manage rule.
That's pretty cool.
That's very, very interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So, and very, very useful. I told you that we can use this also, no? We can use this also. Fine. So you will do the practical for this.